This is What You Should Know. Vital information about your health and wellness from the experts at Community Health Partners. It's easy to think of a relationship with your doctor as one way. Your doctor talks and you listen. Yet what is often most beneficial to your health is two-way conversation. Working with your doctor by asking questions and honestly sharing how you're feeling. Dr. Jose Mendoza of Community Physicians talks about the importance of being a partner with your doctor.
It really is a partnership. They should be very comfortable. They need to talk to their doctor. The doctor needs to talk to them. They shouldn't be uncomfortable at all. Patients want to be more involved and want to be more comfortable with their doctors. I tend to be personal. I like to talk about their other issues, try to see if there's anything else going on other than just the medical problems, their family, their interests. It's actually good to be friendly and to spend time with them. And doctors should be able to respond to their patients, understand their patients, listen to them, take time with them. That communication is so major. Most of your diagnosis is by communications, what they tell us. Patients should always be active in picking their doctors that they want, be comfortable with it. Pick one that suits them. Patients can use our Turn to CHP website to choose a doctor. Our thought with Community Health Partners, you want the doctors to be in the community, be part of it, feel part of it, not going to some place far away. Patients have been more educated, are taking care of themselves better, coming to me and initiating their own health. I like that. It makes my job easier.
For information on Community Physicians, call 1-877-CHP-6161 or visit turntochp.com. What You Should Know is presented as a public service of Community Physicians and Community Health Partners, including Community Regional Medical Center and Allen Community Hospital.